Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and understand the clinical review report. The clinical review report can be used for various reasons, such as identifying trends, patterns and outcomes at your practice, which can contribute to statistics and medical research. You will also be able to determine how many emails were sent per template or how many patients received SMSs or calls. Practitioners can see how often certain medications were prescribed or monitor a group of patients' health over time to identify the outcomes of procedures. In this video, we will start on an existing clinical review report. For more information on how to navigate to this screen, please refer to the How to Generate a Clinical Review Report user manual linked in this video's description. We will now take a look at the fields and buttons within this screen and give a brief explanation thereof. Filters are tools or functionalities that allows you to narrow down or refine the results displayed on the Booking Reminder report screen. Click on the Filter drop-down menu and select how the screen will be filtered. The context and default filters changes the filter options to refine the information of the report. Next, you are able to filter the list by completing the patient's personal details in the respective fields. Click on the Data Account Identifier fields and enter the data account number linked to the patient's file. To filter according to treatment dates, click on a treatment date from and to fields and select the applicable date from the date picker. Alternatively, you can enter the dates manually in the dates field as well. Click on the patient gender drop-down menu and tick the checkbox of the desired gender by which the list will be filtered. To filter according to patient ages, click on the patient age from and to fields and select the applicable dates. Click on the Workflow Event Types drop-down menu and select the additional workflow events on which you would like to filter the list. Toggle the Finalized slider to alternate between viewing non-finalized and finalized workflow events or both. Also, toggle the Deleted slider to alternate between displaying deleted workflow events, available workflow events or both. Click on the WFE template drop-down menu and select which template you would like to display on the list. Please note that only workflow events that are relevant to the clinical report generated will be displayed on the WFE template list. After you have completed the fields, click on the Update Results button. To clear the fields, simply click on the Reset Filters button. The clinical review report list will update accordingly. We will now briefly go over the list screen buttons located at the top right of the list. Click on the Select All Results button to select the data displayed on the list. Click on the Expand Width button to auto-fit the column width to the information within all columns. To revert back to the way the columns displayed, click on the Reset Widths button. Click on the Sort Columns button to sort the columns in the order that you desire. For more information regarding how the Sort Columns feature works, please refer to the How to Sort Columns on Report and List Screens user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Choose Columns button to select the columns that will be displayed on the list. For more information regarding how the Choose Columns feature works, please refer to the How to Choose Columns on Report and List Screens user manual linked in this video's description. Lastly, you can click on the Default Layout drop-down menu to select the type of layout that will be used for the screen. All the information on the clinical review screen is divided into columns to logically group related information together. Next, we will go over the page option buttons located at the bottom of the list screen. You are able to click on the next and previous buttons to navigate between pages. You can also click on the desired page number to quickly navigate to the selected page. Click on the Items drop-down menu to select the number of items that will be displayed on the screen. Once the desired filter results have been selected, click on the Export to PDF button to save the filtered results as a PDF file. Also, to download the desired results as a CSV file, click on the Export to CSV button.